So let's start improving your reputation. I'm going to give you now the action plan to get it done. You take control of this right now to start improving your reputation. Whether it's okay, could be better, or fantastic, these are straightforward strategies that can have a big impact on how your business is perceived online. First, let's update your business listings. Make sure your business is up to snuff. Your information is correct. Your hours, your business name, your phone number, photos. We call it NAP, name, address, phone number. They have to be consistent. Consistency is key because any discrepancies can confuse your customers and hurt your credibility. By having accurate information, you make it easier for people to do business with you. You make sure you're responding to these reviews. It's crucial to respond to reviews, both positive and negative. Engage, have conversations, respond back. Positive reviews are a simple thank you that can go a long way and reinforce a customer's positive experience. And for negative reviews, address them immediately and respectfully. Offer solutions for someone that's looking at this from a third party. Let them know that you understand and that you're willing to make things right, which can actually turn a negative situation into a positive one. Encourage positive reviews. Put a call to action. Make it easy for people to know that they shouldn't be afraid of leaving a review, that they are welcome to share their stories. Make it possible for them to leave reviews with little effort, whether it's a follow-up, an email, a text, the link on your website. The more positive reviews you gather, the stronger your online reputation will be. It's crucial that you're active on social media. Regular postings, engagement, storytelling, showcasing, broadcasting those positive reviews, sharing what's new, photos, videos, consistently engaging with your audience. You'll reinforce your branch presence and be part of the community that you want to serve. These steps are simple but powerful. Maybe they're hard because you're not tech savvy, you're not familiar with it, but we're going to give you some resources on how we can help you. It's up to you if you want us to give you a hand, but I will tell you this: by updating your business's information, responding to reviews, being present on social media, you are well on your way to building the next version of a stronger and much more trusted brand. And if that's what you want, then you're in the right place. We're going to enable you to level up how you are seen online and the amount of customers you get from your online presence.